Hey everyone, I hope you're good, and once again welcome back to my new video one. So this is me Sonu again in front of you guys. So in today's video I am gonna talk about this mindset which is having which has so many people in their life in their mindset. The mindset is they're just waiting to start, they're just waiting to perfect kind of a setup or perfect kind of a time, okay? So on this simple thing I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you have this thing in your life also, so please watch this video because I'm right person and I am actually right person to tell you on this kind of things. If you do not believe me, so just go on my YouTube and you will see my video. I have completed 90 days challenge without even worrying about my camera, my audio, my background, my English, because people can judge me easily because of the background, because of the English which I use, because of the audio, because of the camera, quality of that thing. But still I'm very consistent on making content, and I'm not making content for the views on YouTube, because I'm now focusing on the gaining views on Instagram moreover, okay? Which I will gain easily because I'm just working on the study. Somehow I'm also learning how can I improve my Instagram page 0 to 100 and 100k followers. So which I will be, although I'm learning, but yeah, that thing I will cover in the next video. But yeah, in today's video is very simple. You already know that what I'm gonna cover in this video. So, and you know that I'm the right guy, and I have built that thing, and I proved that thing why I am right for this kind of a topic. Because to be honest, if you ask this question to me, why you are starting, why you making content, because you do not have best camera or best background or you do not speak very advanced English, still you're making content. So why you're making content? To be honest, I just want to be very consistent on my English kind of stuff, and I'm not just practicing my English stuff, I'm just also building confidence in front of the camera. And only the two things I'm focusing on, building confidence and speaking English in front of the camera. That's simple thing. You don't have to pick the plethora of reason for making or for starting your action. I know you must be thinking I should have multiple reason for starting your content creation, for starting gym, for starting to work on your diet, or starting to fit. Okay, so whatever your goal is, you just have to pick one reason for starting that fucking thing. Simple as that. I know you must be thinking, oh no, this is not good for me. Oh, I'll get the phone, so then I'll start making content. Oh no. Once I will, get this much money, so I'll quit my job. I'll start that thing. I'll do that thing. I'll do whatever you're thinking. That's fucking stupid thing you're having. And I'm telling you, this is stupid, bro. Whatever the thing you have, if you let's suppose that if you wanna start content creation journey, so this phone can record you. This audio is also good. There are multiple AI tools which can reduce or which can remove noise from your video, okay? I use nowadays I'm using, you can go on recent video I have uploaded on Instagram, which is absolutely amazing in terms of in terms of noise and in terms of audio, okay? You can use multiple AI tools, so remove background noise. And in terms of editing, you don't have to worry about editing, okay? So there are some people who are just making simple and raw video, but they are getting also good content. But yeah, they are delivering values, they are delivering knowledge in the video, which I'm not delivering, because that's why I'm not getting views, and that's why I'm not even getting the followers, which I accept that this is my biggest mistake which I'm doing on Instagram. And now I'm focusing on giving the value and giving the good knowledge, so that people can follow that page. So yeah, and this is the reason behind that, okay? Do not even think about, if you're thinking about the people, so people are not going to feed you, and people are not feeding you. People are not caring about your family, not caring about you, not caring about your sister, not caring about your mother, okay? People are not even supporting in the bad days. When was the last time when people supported you? You do not have any reason, any practical, what do you call that thing? You don't have any proof, okay? If people are supporting you, so that's good, then you should think about that. That's the point of thinking, okay? That has a point, okay? That people have people have already supported me in that time, so I should really think about the people. If that is a scenario in your case, I think you have to think about. But I am assuming that nobody has this kind of a scenario, okay? Nobody has this kind of example. Nobody helped in your bad days. So if that is the truth, so why the fucking you thinking about the people? Does it make sense? Absolutely, it makes sense, bro. If you think that people are gonna judge you, of course they're gonna judge you. Of course they are gonna laugh on your efforts, on your English, on your Hindi, on your camera, on your quality, on a video, on everything. They are gonna laugh on every kind of a thing. Okay, so they're doing their job. Remember this thing. They are doing their job, but are you doing your job? Are you making content? Are you improving yourself? Are you recording in a better way? Are you recording in a much confident way? Hmm? Are you doing that thing? Because people are doing their job at best as they can. Okay, so I think you should do your job as best as you can. Remember that thing, okay? Because this is the mindset you can take from this video, because this is the mindset I have in myself. I'm just not saying, this is not just word. You can just go on YouTube and see myself. I have done it, bro. I have done it 90 days. I'm not kidding, okay? I'm not just saying, because this is the, I'm just motivating you. This is the actual thing which I have gone through, and now I have overcome that thing, that feeling I have overcome. Now I do not care about the people, what they're talking about, my background, my quality, my video quality, my audio quality. I don't care about that thing. If that person is not caring about me, not even helping me, so why should I care about that people? Yeah, I will listen. I will listen his feedback, and I will take it. I will write it down in my paper, and I will think about that. Why people, that person said about me? What was the reason behind it? If the reason is not is the reason is quality, or the video quality, or the audio quality, so I will work on that thing. People will give you bunch of thing, and in that bunch of thing you have to find out the good thing which can literally help you. And yeah, have you heard about that thing? People are throwing a stone and the person is making house out of the stone. Yeah, so that the scenario is also applying in my life, and I'm gonna make it that thing real on internet. You will see that, and I'll make you see that. Okay, I know this is going to motivational kind of a thing, but I want to make you person who doesn't think about the people. Oh, I'm talking about those people who are not caring about you. I'm not talking about those people who cares about you, who gives you, you know, money in that situation where you need money. Okay, so I'm not talking about that people, because some people have this much people in their life. So due some respect, I'm not talking about that people. Okay, to be honest, I respect that thing also, because in my life there are some people who helps me, and I respect that respect a lot, because their efforts, their helping, and their nature kind of their behavior with me and with my family. So I love them, okay, and I give respect also. So, but yeah, in most of the scenario, you will not have this much people. You will not have the good quality of people in their life. So I think you should build yourself first. Like I'm building myself, I'm improving English, I'm improving confidence, I'm also learning editing, I'm also learning freelancing. How can I earn through through my editing? So this is what I'm doing right now. I have enrolled myself in a course where from where I'm learning editing, from where I'm learning client acquisition, whatever the things I have to, whatever things are required to earn as a freelancer, I have to, learn it everything. Okay, so just build yourself first. I'm not against of the making girlfriend and boyfriend. Yeah, I love that thing also. If you do not have girlfriend, so do not think about that. Okay, if any girl is approaching you, so just go and have a relationship with that girl. But the girl should be loyal with you. If the girl is coming into relationship because you have physique, or you have something in yourself, so then that's the red flag in my perspective. Yeah, having a good body doesn't mean that the girl, let me repeat it. If the girl is coming after just watching your body, so then that is a red flag. To be honest, that is a red flag. Why? Because she is not she doesn't have interest in yourself. Think for a second. However, this is very deep. You can't understand. If you can understand, so that's good. She is not interested in yourself. She is interested in your bicep, in your tricep, in your body. Yeah, that body is your, but I don't know how can I make it simple to make you understand. She is just attracted by body. If she finds any other person who has good body than you, so you know that what will happen. She will go with that person. So that's the mentality I'm talking about. Okay, I know you understood. So thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's wrap up this video, and I'll see you in the next video.